We're looking at number 38 of the 2015 released items, and in this question they give me a figure and they give me some angle measures. So the first thing that I'm going to do is actually write in what those angle measures are. I want to make sure I correctly do them, so let's start by just drawing out A, B, C for that angle. This would be angle ABC, and when they give me an angle measure, I'm going to make sure I put it right in B. So I just wanted to make sure we were filling in this angle correctly. So ABC is 120, so I'm going to label that. That's really hard to read, so let me actually just draw an arrow over to it and label it that way. That's a little bit easier. And they also tell me that ADC is 2x plus 30, and they tell me BCD is x. So I know that that's a quadrilateral. It has 4 sides and it's going to add up to 360. But just in case I forgot, I could always split it into 2 triangles, and I would know that 2 times 180 for the number of degrees in a triangle is 360. Okay? So that's the other way to remember that. What I'm going to do is take all of the angle measures I have, remembering that they gave me this right angle here, which is 90 degrees, and I'm going to make an equation that's equal to 360. So I have 120 plus x plus 2x plus 30 plus 90 equals 360. Okay, and then I am going to add up those angle measures, so I get 3x and 240 equals 360, and 3x would be equal to 120 if I subtract 240 from each side, and if I divide out by 3 I get x is equal to 40. That's great. So now I know this angle measure right here. But if you jumped and tried to answer the question already, you realized that that's not an option. So we have to be careful about which angle we're answering for. They want the measure of DCE. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight DCE. And they were actually really nice, because if I was writing this question, I would certainly make an answer choice 40, because I think a lot of people would answer it as 40. But angle DCE is not 40. Angle DCE is a linear pair with the angle we found, which means that they're going to add up to 180. So I'm going to take 180 and subtract off the 40 that I found, and I'll get 140. So this angle right here is actually going to be 140, which is choice B.